In this video, I'm going to cover a series and a data frame operation in Pandas. So first we will start with the series operation. I'm going to use two libraries. One is Pandas for sure and the second one is NumPy. So I'm going to import these two libraries. I'm going to use two lists in the series and one dictionary. So now I have created one list named as label and I've created one more list named as my list. I'm going to create one dictionary. Okay, when I run this, I'm going to get three things. One label, one is my list, and the third one is dictionary. Okay. So now I'm going to create the series for first part, that is my list. When I do this, I'm going to get a table like this, which will be labeled from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now suppose I don't want this label 0, 1, 2, 3. I want the label as ABCD, what we have defined over here. So I can use my list comma label. So you can see the 0, 1, 2, 3 is replaced with ABCD. I can use the same way of writing this code again. So data will be my list and the index will be labeled. Okay, we are going to get the same answer. Again, suppose I have a list, I'm going to convert this into the array using NumPy. And if I pass this array also in the series, it is going to get the table in this format. Suppose I use this array and the label which we have already defined previously. So we are going to get ABCD in the index and 10, 20, 30, 40 in values. Suppose I take a dictionary and this dictionary I'm going to pass through the series and I'm going to get A, B, C, D and 10, 20, 30, 40 as a value. And again, I can take this label as also as a value. And if I pass it to the series, I'm going to get, okay, A, B, C, D and the index now going to change 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now what is data frame? So in the data frame, I'll take one example to make you understand. Suppose this is my website data which is available with me. The data says on day number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 days for a data. There are visitors on the website. So for first day the visitor was 1000, the second day 700 and so on. And this is the bouncing rate. Bouncing rate means 1000 customer has visited the website on day number 1 and 20 of them has left the website in just less than 20 seconds. So this is called bouncing rate. Suppose this data is available to you and this is only 5-day data. Suppose 30-day data, then it is very difficult to read the data in the dictionary. But we have an option and that option is in the data frame of Pandas. When you do a data frame in the Pandas, it will be defined in term of beautifully defined in term of table. You can see here. So when I use a data frame keyword in Pandas, then what is the use of it? This table has been redefined. This dictionary has been redefined in term of table. You can see beautifully we can represent. So on day number 1, we have 1000 visitor and the bouncing rate is 20. A very useful and logical concept of handling the data using series and data frame in the Pandas.